I'm Alan Davidson. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com, and I'm an expert in somatic coaching. At the mental level, there is so much that happens. We have so many thoughts and beliefs that absolutely run our lives and our attitudes and our experience of reality that we never even question. A lot of those beliefs were absorbed when we were small children, and they continue to color and shade our experience, and we've never stopped to ask if any of those thoughts or beliefs are really true for us and how we choose to live and move through the world. Let me give you an example of that. Somebody who was a young child and was in some sort of an accident, say they were in a car accident, and they might have made some sort of judgment that riding in cars is dangerous, or even that the world is a dangerous place and I can get hurt. That is a pattern, it's a thought, it's a belief that's held deeply in the subconscious mind that is affecting their experience of how they move through the world, even though if they're aware of it or not.